A pit stop along an interstate in Wyoming. And as Jim Axelrod shows us, when the truck stops here, an unlikely dining adventure begins.
Hello. What do you suggest?
Behind this hole in the wall, at this hole in the wall in Laramie, Wyoming, is a you-won't-believe-it situation from the world of truck stop cuisine. Just off exit 290 on I-80, the Indian food Mintu Pander and his staff are cooking up in this small kitchen behind the window guarantees that.
This smells like we're in Mumbai, not in Laramie.
Not in Laramie, no doubt.
Our storage shelves full of turmeric, coriander, and other spices.
This is a leaf. It's called kasuri methi. I mean, if you start putting this on, you will not eat anything without it.
There's a rice steamer with no off switch, an always full pot of chai, and the soul of any Indian kitchen, a clay oven, the tandoor. When Pander bought this truck stop in 2014, it came with a griddle for hot dogs and hamburgers.
That's all you need? That's all I need. All right, thank you.
But figuring truckers could get those up and down I-80, he went with a menu they wouldn't find anywhere else.
99 out of 100, they would call again. Hey, I want something what I ate last time. That stuff was delicious. I want that meal. I don't know what it was named, but this guy, he gave it to me. I think it's number 29.
To locals like Sheriff's Deputy Bill Yates.
If this is the area I'm patrolling, I know where I'm going to stop to eat lunch.
Mintu's food has been a hit. Deputy Yates is partial to both the yellow curry and the broader field of vision that comes with it. He's opened another spot in Nebraska and will soon add a third in New Mexico. Turns out there's some money in all these smells and tastes.
No surprise for you that you can recreate all that stuff in the middle of a truck stop on I-80?
Well, that was the plan, so we succeeded.
All it took was for Mintu Pander to trust his gut and those of hungry truckers driving by.